Today I'm going to show you how to check the renewal price for a domain in Namecheap quickly and easily. This is really useful if you want to see exactly what you'll pay before renewing a domain, whether you're budgeting ahead of time or comparing renewal costs for multiple domains. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Namecheap account using your usual email and password. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard. From there, look for the domain list option. This is where Namecheap shows all of the domains you currently own and manage. Click on domain list to open the full list of your domains. Now find the domain you want to check the renewal price for. If you have several domains, you may need to scroll through the list or use the search feature to find the right one faster. Once you see the domain, click Manage next to it. This opens the settings and a control panel for that specific domain. On the management page, look for the status and validity section. This area shows important details like your domain status, expiration date, and renewal options. To check the renewal cost, click Add Years. Namecheap will then ask how many years you want to renew the domain for. Select the number of years you're considering, such as 1 year, 2 years, or more, depending on your needs. As soon as you choose the renewal length, Namecheap will show you the renewal price before you continue to checkout. This is the key step because it lets you review the exact cost in advance without completing the purchase right away. If you want, you can adjust the number of years to see how the price changes. That's a helpful way to compare renewal options and choose the best one for your budget. Once you've checked the price, you can either proceed with the renewal or simply leave the page if you're just estimating costs for now. And that's it. Now you know how to check the Namecheap renewal price before you buy. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial.